Strong blizzard conditions have battered the state of California. Heavy snow has been dumped on the mountain ridges in the valleys. Blizzard warnings have been issued for several regions, including the greater Lake Tahoe area, famous for its ski tourism. The blizzard banked California's Sierra Nevada County with 42 inches of snowfall. More snow is forecast to fall over the weekend. The weather department said life-threatening without conditions could persist through the weekend. Local authorities have warned people not to go skiing, while reports from the National Weather Service suggested that up to 12 feet could fall over the weekend.
There's a blizzard warning for the entire Sierra Nevada, as there is right now for this event. That's a pretty strong signal that this is not an ordinary winter storm. And so, as I mentioned, I do think that it's plausible that some places will end up seeing a top 5 or top 10 all-time record 24-hour or 48-hour snow accumulation from this event, on the order of 3 to 5 feet at lower elevations and 5 to 8+ feet, maybe even 10+ feet in some of the peaks or the most orographically favored locations on the western Sierra Slope or along the crest.
More than 7,000 homes and businesses went without power in California on Sunday evening. The snowy and windy conditions have caused transportation difficulties as well. Many vehicles are stuck in snow-covered streets, with some motorists needing to be rescued. A major highway has been closed in California, and some roadways are being chain controlled, requiring vehicles to have chains to proceed on the roadways. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.